My dear children, this is also the continuation session of cyber crimes. Why I am including all types of cyber crimes? I need to know you people, at least my students have to aware about all the crimes, because you should not be a victim or you should not be a hacker, and you should not be get punished for cyber crimes, at least my students. So that I am continuing with the same topic, that is types of cyber crimes. The next one is theft of information contained in electronic form. This includes theft of information stored in computer hard disk, removable storage media, etc. Normally, for breaking the confidentiality of any company, the employees may do the theft of informations. The next one is email bombing. It is very similar to email spamming. Email bombing refers to sending a large number of emails to the victim, resulting in the victim's email account or mail servers crash. That means we couldn't open our email because of email spams. The next one is internet time theft. Refers to the usage by an unauthorized person of the internet, hours paid for by another person. Can you give one example for that? Or can you assume any example for that? I will ask the same question while I am meeting you people in Zoom. The next one is theft of computer system. This type of offense involves the theft of a computer or parts of computer or peripheral attached to a computer, that is hardware thefting. The next one is physically damaging a system. The crime is committed by physically damaging a computer or its peripherals. It is again for if a person having a jealous, if a person having a revenge, so that he will do physical damaging a system. If he or she is not a good hacker or any cyber criminal, he can only do damaging the system physically. Next one is breach of privacy and confidentiality. This again deals with the company details. The privacy refers to the right of an individual to determine when, how, and to what extent his or her personal data will be shared with others. Similarly, confidentiality means non-disclosure of information to unauthorized or unwanted persons. For example, employees may leak such valuable information for monetary gains and causes breach of contract of confidentiality. Social engineerings are commonly used to obtain confidential informations. The next one is data diddling. It involves changing data prior or during input to a computer. That means if you are giving ATM pin, at the time itself the hacker gets that pin and withdraw some money before you process. It also includes automatic change in the financial information for the same time before processing and restoring original information by the help of the original program. The next one is e-commerce or investment frauds. An offering that uses false or fraudulent claims to solicit investments or loans, or that provides for purchase, use, or trade of forged or counterfeit securities. Merchandise or services that were purchased or contracted by individuals online are never delivered. That will coming under e-commerce fraud. The fraud attributable to misrepresentation of a product advertised for a sale through an internet auction site, or the non-delivery of the products purchased through an internet auction site. Auction means in Malayalam it is called It is termed to be lelam. Investors are incited to invest in this fraudulent scheme by the promise of abnormally high profits. That is, if a e-commerce site, you ordered for a product and they were not delivering at a time, or if they were delivering a wrong product or a damaged product, or they were not returning back your amount, all were coming under e-commerce. Banking financial frauds are also coming under these sort of e-commerce frauds. They were only gave a profitable advertisements, but they won't deliver a good product for the consumer. Coming to the next one, that is the last one, cyber terrorism. Targeted attacks on military installations, power plants, air traffic controls, banks, rail traffic control, telecommunication networks are most likely targets. Other like police, medical, fire and rescue systems, etc. Cyber terrorism is an easy option for modern terrorists for several reasons. My dear children, as I said before, at least my 15 children should not be a cyber terrorist, should not be a cyber criminal or a victim. That is why I am giving this topic in depth, each and every crime. I know all these topics are not included in your curriculum, but I had found many types of crimes while I am referring this topic especially. My children should not be a victim, or should not be a cyber crime, or should not get any punishments for cyber crimes. Thank you.